This is a Quantum 1420 power chair. This power chair is an older model. You're not going to find this model anymore. The reason I have it here is because I have several of my clients over the last 15 years who bought this chair and they love them. So I bought this chair, simple reason, it's almost new condition. I would give it a good 8, 8.5 on a scale of 1 to 10. Probably a 10 the way it rides. And the reason this has been a very popular chair when it was made is that it has 16-inch wheels. You don't see that too often anymore. These are 16-inch solid wheels on this power chair. And this power chair comes with two types of motor, high-speed motors and high-torque motors. This one has a high-speed motor, so this chair will go 6 miles an hour. And I actually drove it outside, and it goes closer to 6.5 miles, but you'll see when I drive it in the video. So this chair goes 6 miles an hour. It has the high-speed motors. It's high off the ground, about 4 inches off the ground. It has 8-inch tip wheels in the front. It has 9-inch heavy-duty wheels in the back. The suspension on this chair is fantastic. This chair has, because it has the high-speed motors, it has a 450-pound weight capability. 450-pound weight capability. So if I turn the chair around, you will see the extra large footplate here that flips up for easy access. You can see how clean this is. The seat on this chair, I don't have my tape measure here, but the seat on this chair looks like it's about 22 by 20, maybe 23. 23 by 20 deep. The arms do move up for easy access. They also go out if you need to. The joystick can be put on the right, or it can be transferred to the left with no problem at all. This seat is about 6 inches thick. You can see how thick it is. It's a cloth seat, by the way. It's very cushiony. So this is like sitting on your sofa going down the road at 6 miles an hour. This chair has what is called active track suspension. Active track suspension is when the front caster wheels are tied to the motor. You can see the motor in the back, so if I lift this front wheel, you'll see the suspension. So that's the suspension right there on this chair. Great suspension. If you need to put this chair in neutral, because if you have to push it, make sure the power is off. Right below here, oh, actually I'm wrong. First time I've been wrong today already. On this one, to put it in neutral, your lever is here. What you do is you take this lever and you turn it down, and now you're in neutral, as you can see. Turn the lever back up, and you're back in here. You have a safety belt back here. You have a pouch for your manual. You have an adjustable headrest. You have heavy-duty caster wheels in the back. And when you need to charge this chair, the only thing you have to do is take your charger, plug it in the front of the joystick, and as soon as the chair is full, the charger will stop charging. So you don't have to worry about overcharging your chair. This chair is 27 inches wide, so if you have to remember that the width from here to here is about 27 inches wide. This is probably 28, 29 inches because the seat is wider than the wheels. Because it's a large seat, so it puts the arms out. So remember, if you're going to use this in the house, you're probably going to be at 28 inches over here. And you're at 27 inches of the base and all that. The turning radius is about 27 inches also. So this is your turning radius. This chair takes 2 batteries. It takes the large batteries, the 75 amp batteries, group 24. And you should get around 15 to 23 miles with this battery charge, depending on the weight of the user, where you're driving it, if it's uphill, downhill in the dirt, that will affect your driving distance. But on flat surface, like if you were at Disney World, you should be able to get 20 miles with the large batteries with this chair. This is a fantastic chair. I sold a lot of these chairs in the past. Several of my clients have these, they love them. So this is available. Probably won't last very long. It's a pretty sharp looking color, it's orange looking color, and it's a really nice chair, and it's ready to go. a very nice scooter, very powerful, 500-pound weight capability, like I said earlier. You have to remember that this is a large seat. This is a 20, if I remember right, 23, 24 inch wide seat. The arms are going to be at 28, 29 inches, the width of the arm from door. So if you have a door, make sure it's at least 30 inches because your arms are going to be out there 28, 29 inches outside to outside of arms. This is Mark with Mark's Mobility. We are a family-owned business for over 20 years. Thank you for watching this presentation. We have several other models available. If you have any questions, please call the number below, 800-677-6293. Thank you again for watching.